Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to retrofit wireless charging to your BMW. We'll be installing this hardware on my 2015 BMW X5 50i. This hardware was provided by a company named Car Key Wireless or Car Chi Wireless. They sent this hardware for me to review, and there's two versions that we're going to be looking at today. This is the standard model. There's a power switch, and you insert your USB cable and your bullet charger into here. That's included. That's the bullet charger. That is the cable, USB-C. So let's install that first, and then we'll come back to the other model and talk about the advantage with it. Okay, so installation is going to occur in your cup holder area. Remove your cigarette lighter. Insert the included bullet charger. Bring the wireless charger over. Insert the cable. Take this. Plug it into the bullet charger. Like so. Bring this assembly over and insert it straight down. So now I'll place my S20 Galaxy in here. Goes green, and it actually says, you can probably make that out, fast wireless charging. It's charging fast, so it's getting a 10-watt charge, a pretty aggressive charge. So that's pretty nice. And then if you want to, you can power it off. But really, these cars go to sleep after about 10 minutes or so with the door closed, so you don't even have to really think about this. You can just leave it powered on all the time. It'll eventually cut power to this unless you wake the car up by opening the door or unlocking the car, etc. Pretty straightforward. Easy enough. I'm going to remove this and show you the other model now. So Car Chi Wireless also sent this model in. It includes a separate mat. A little more straightforward installation. There's no bullet charger, it's all just integrated. They both feature a fan and 10-watt charging. So this doesn't have the power button, but these cars automatically power off their cigarette lighter after a set amount of time anyway. You still have a LED indicator to show you when it's charging, but the main advantage is a USB pass-through, so you can plug in another device while you're still wirelessly charging, and installation's slightly more straightforward. So you just basically take this piece, insert it in, take your device, lay it down flat, and put your rubber mat, and you're good to go. Blue LED indicator is lit to show that it has power, and we're wirelessly charging. It's fast wireless charging again. This isn't my daily driver, so I'll have to ask my wife what she prefers, but me personally, between the two models, I like this one just because it has a very clear charge indicator when it's actually working, and I like the power button, just you never know. The surface area is a little larger, and it has a little stop here so that it won't really slide forward. And for this particular phone, which is an S20 Ultra, it's just easier to lay in place. It falls flat. I think this model is suited a little bit better to bigger phones. You do sacrifice the USB charge port pass-through, but that's okay because there's one in here anyway. So I like this model, and I believe it's a little bit cheaper. Alright guys, that'll conclude this video showing you how to retrofit wireless charging to your BMW, specifically on an F15 X5. I'm going to put links in the description for both the models featured in this video. I'd like to say a special thanks to Car Chi Wireless or Car Key Wireless for sending this hardware for review. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching. Wow.